Streams. Oka and Ioma are believed to be the best spring water in Obodoukwu town. They are renowned for their mystical features. Oka stream derived its name from the Igbo words Oka, meaning the Great One. This is because it generates water from any location it finds itself. It is believed that Oka stream relocated from Ekeohuru because it was defiled to its present location at Umume village in Obodoukwu town. This stream is meant only for human consumption. It is not and can't be put up for commercial purposes. People in the past accounted how some defaulters, natives inclusive, who dared Oka stream died mysteriously at the point of selling water from Oka stream.
Story of Oka stream has its origin from history, bedded on belief. It is a stream that has its forbearances. It is known for purity. In the olden days, women, let's say in Buddha, are not allowed to get to the stream. When you get to the stream, there is a portion they stay, and people go and fetch water for them. That is the mystical aspect of the Oka River. And it is not, nobody is allowed to fish at Oka River. Anybody who does that, and people in the recent past and present who did that never got out unpunished. Then the mystical aspect of Obobi and Ioma is there. Ioma is a mystical, is known for its mystical nature. It's a natural spring. It is believed that Obodoukwu people who return to the dead pass through Ioma. The economic trees there, like palm trees, you can see some of them ripe. You do not, nobody does. If you get there, they will ask you to get down. And at times, in the wee hours of the day, you can hear poundings of people cooking, and you can hear people say, "Pass, pass, pass," asking their goat to go in and get out. Sometimes people get frightened and run away.
It is important to note that aquatic animals from this stream are not to be preyed on for human consumption. As any attempt to dare this stream, the whole stream will be infested with tapeworm, toads, frogs, reptiles, to mention a few.